Ladies and gentlemen, it's another Monday and it comes with more drama and suspense on Mkhoka the Case. So, if you would like to know what to expect on the show from Monday the 25th to Friday the 29th of November 2024, then stay tuned to this video. Let's get to it. On the Monday episode 191, Nomkhosi asks for the impossible, hence the episode is titled Asking for the Impossible. She goes to Manzimande and the whole family to ask them to exhume Khulegani's body so that she can see him one last time. Mabuse and Manzimande were so angry after learning about this, which takes us to the Tuesday episode 152, titled Snakes, Ropes and Two Wives. So on this episode, Manzimande goes crazy after dreaming about the rope that Khulegani used to hang himself. An angry Manzimande goes one Ndlovu to confront Ndlovu and his wives about the rope. Mamzobo on the other hand tells Nomkhosi to preserve Khulegani's legacy for Ntuthuko, meaning that she should fight against Ndlovu to get ownership of the church. Then, the Wednesday episode 193. This episode is titled Mthembu is not done, it's just the beginning. Ndlovu's second wife gets sick. Nomkhosi is shocked to learn what awaits for her sins. Family tries to get Manzimande some help, but that help backfires. Lwazen Kapsile's flame is annoying the wrong people, which takes her to the Thursday episode 194. Nomkhosi finds Jesus again. So after all the events that took place, which include Nomkhosi losing her husband and Mthembu punishing her after all of that, Nomkhosi decides to become a Christian again. Then, Mamzobe seems to be going back to her old ways and she wants Nomkhosi to be part of it. On episode 195, Mamzobe asks Nomkhosi to take his Ikwama from Mabuse and bring them to her, but Nomkhosi is skeptical. Ndlovu's wife begs Ndlovu, asking him to repent, but Ndlovu doesn't listen to them. He forges ahead on his power trip, making more enemies. So ladies and gentlemen, that is what we can expect on Mkhoka the Case this week. So do comment in the comment section, share your thoughts about Mkhoka the Case this week, and if you enjoyed content in this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share it on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.